It's a collaborative. It's a collaborative paper between me and my colleague Dr. D.S. Jadhav. The title of paper is Empowering College Teachers Integrating 21st Century Skills in the Classroom. In the introduction, I have given a literature review what the researchers think about integrating 21st century skills in our classroom. In our classrooms, in fact, right now we don't say 21st century skills. In fact, we are saying these skills are the power skills which help the students to acquire good employment. So the history is given due to the shift in the economy along with globalization and ICT, which higher skills have become 21st century skills and they are necessary to have a good job. And I have quoted what the handbook on 21st century skills, which is prepared by the Central Board of Secondary Education, New Delhi, says with the onset of the 21st century, the entire world has witnessed an era of intense transformation in all areas, whether it is education, global trade, and economy, technology, or society. And recently, after the COVID-19 pandemic, we have seen there are a lot of challenges. And in short, the 21st century skills, or the skills that are called as power skills, are required by the students for his or her holistic development, through which he or she can contribute to the development of the society as well as the nation and the world. So there is a dire need of integrating 21st century skills in the classroom. So the research focused on these three questions: are the college teachers ready to integrate the 21st century skills in the classroom, whether they are prepared or not? What is the teacher's perception of the 21st century skills, and what are the challenges faced by the teachers in integrating the 21st century skills in the classroom? So for this research, we have selected data from Science Institute, Yashwantrao Chauhan Institute of Science, Satara, through a questionnaire, and total 50 teachers responded to the questions from various departments, right from life sciences, physical sciences, mathematical sciences, computational sciences. And the acquired data was analyzed by using statistical test percentage wise. Here is the demographic information: 48% female participated and 52% male participated in this. Rural background 36%, semi-rural were 34, and urban were 30%. The educational background reflects that we have MA set, that is a qualification required for assistant professorship. We do have PhD along with post graduation degrees. So we try to study how their educational background also affected uh, their perception towards integration of 21st century skills in the classroom. When the question was asked which is the key component of 21st century skills, 66% said critical thinking. And this is the data which says, so it highlights the shift towards more dynamic and analytical approaches in education for the 21st century skills. The second question focused on problem solving skill, what these people think, which one is the most important thing, which one is the most important skill in classroom. So 60% said communication, 24 said collaboration, 44 said creativity, and 72 said critical thinking. So as far as the perception of the teachers goes, they considered critical thinking as the highest skill which has to be integrated in the classroom. So, when asked about 21st century skills, do they incorporate into in their lesson planning? These were the responses. 52% said always, and 48 said sometimes. This shows that we need to create awareness about integrating 21st century skills in the classroom, so that our students will have holistic development. We can develop our students. We can expect them to develop, have the overall development of the students. When asked about strategies used to teach 21st century skills, 20% said lecture based instructions, 33% said project based, 10% are using flipped classroom, and 37% said technology integration is most important. When they were asked about challenges in integrating 21st century skills into teaching practices, 20%, I'm sorry, there is a mistake, but uh, majority of them, they said we need uh, there are limited resources, and 28% responded that there are limited resources, and 26% they said they don't have sufficient time. They have resistance from the students also. Lack of training is also a significant challenge, but it is less prominent. 20% said they require training, and this suggests that educators face multiple challenges, right from resources to training. Yeah, insufficient time, 26% said lack of training, 20%, 28% said limited resources and resistance from the students in the classroom. So based on this, we have come to a conclusion that we need proper training for the teachers to integrate 21st century skills in the classroom, whether they are teaching physics or chemistry or any subject. But we need, despite the technical knowledge, we need to integrate these skills also, so that we can have holistic development of our students. So that's our presentation. Thank you very much. I extend my thanks to all the organizers, as well as I extend my thanks to Dr. Revati ma'am, and all the authorities from Karmavir Bharao Patil University and Yashwantrao Chauhan Institute of Science, Satara. Thank you very much for the opportunity to present our research findings in this esteemed conference. Thank you so much. Thank